Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Halloween. It is day 3 and I'm super excited to share this Halloween look with you guys. I am doing something that I should have done a long time ago. I am Latina. My mom's Mexican, my dad's Mexican. I'm Latina. And I have never done a sugar skull ever for Halloween. So I'm excited to do that for you guys today. And I just didn't want to do any sugar skull. I wanted to do like a neon, bright, rainbow, colorful sugar skull. And there's a twist because the neon paints, color activated, water activated paints I used actually are UV paints as well. So underneath a UV light, this looks freaking sweet as well. So it gives you like, this is just cool. This is just cool. It's easy if you're someone that can't do skulls. I totally get it. This is so easy. I literally did my makeup like normal and then just went in with the paints, and it's so affordable as well. I think this costs like 12 bucks. This costs like $7. I don't know. I'll have to link everything down below. I just put on a neon shirt. You can do a black shirt, black leggings, and boom, you're out the door. Easy costume. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Hit that notification bell so you're notified of all my future videos, and make sure you come back tomorrow for another Halloween video that I'm so excited to share with you guys. Also, with every single look this week, I have been doing a nail look to pair up, and I'm not gonna lie, this is my favorite nail look that I have done so far, and you can find the tutorial for these on my Instagram. So I'll link it down below. Go check the description box. A lot of good things down there, and go see that tutorial. I did like a skull, skeleton body, and then some like colorful rainbow roses. I just love how this one turned out. It's just so cool and so like Halloween-y. Also, I do want to mention that this look would look bomb with the sugar skull sweatshirt. I have Halloween Week merch, so make sure you go check it out. It's linked down below. One of them is a beautiful makeup junkie sugar skull that is like putting lipstick on. It's just really cool, and that shirt would look bomb with this look. So I did want to mention that. If you haven't gone and looked at my store yet, go check it out. I would really appreciate it. So that's all I have to say. Let's just get started with this neon sugar skull. So I'm going to start out by putting on a base on my eyes, and I'm going to do this glittery eye using the NIKKI Tutorials palette that she did with Beauty Base. So I'm going in with almost like a skin color shade. I'm going to put that underneath the brow. Then I'm going to go with this light peachy shade, and I'm going to start working that basically into the crease and all over the eye. I did start to do this and then decide, hey, I should probably do my base first. So I will be going and doing like my foundation, concealer, powder, all of that before I really dive into the eyes. Now that I'm done with my face, I'm going to start contouring. I'm going to use a warm contour, and then I'm going to bronze and really make myself look bronzy. It's going to add a lot of contrast to the skull, and I just love how you see that underneath the skull. I'm going to use the Too Faced Sweethearts bronzer, my favorite bronzer in the whole wide world, and then I'm going to go in and use blush. This is a blush from Colourpop. I'll link it below. It's from that Camping Lights collection that she did. It's just a beautiful peachy blush with a little bit of a sheen to it, and I'm basically putting this all over. Now you can use a white eyeliner to kind of sketch everything out because I am going to be going over it with white anyways, but I decided to use nude because that's all I have. I didn't have a white, so I tried to bring you in as close as possible to really look, but I'm basically sketching everything out. I'm going to do the typical cobweb on my forehead. This is honestly super easy, you guys. It just takes time and looking at different pictures. I had like 5 different pictures that I was picking in between to figure out what kind of skull I wanted. And before I really get into the eyes, I thought I would go ahead and finish the eyeshadow. So I'm putting in that peachy color in the crease. Then I'm going to do this neon yellow onto the lid. I didn't use a white primer base because I wanted this to be kind of like a sheer, effortless kind of thing. So I'm packing it on with my finger. I'm blending it out. I just want a light wash because I am going in with this beautiful shimmer. Such a beautiful shimmer. Oh my gosh, I can't even tell you how gorgeous it is, especially in person. But that's basically it for the eyes. It's so easy, and I'm gonna do a wing and then put on some lashes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and finish the skull. Now don't pay attention to this nose part. I didn't like how the nose turned out. It was too big. It made me look like a clown. It was not cute. So I ended up switching up the nose later. But that's the great thing about using an eyeliner. You can definitely go back. One of these creamy eyeliners, you can go back and just take it off and redo it. So I'm going in and sculpting out kind of my cheekbones, doing some swirls. I decided I wanted something that was easy and simple, but still looked really cool. And whenever you put the colors in, that's when it really looks extravagant. Honestly, the rest of the skull is so easy. You literally just find pictures of things that you like and you just copy them onto your face. That's kind of what I did. I took apart different sugar skulls and picked what I liked and what I didn't like, and I created that. And that's basically it, you guys. You're just gonna watch me doing my skull. Now that I'm done sketching it pretty much out, I'm gonna get into this white activated paint. I'm gonna go over every single thing with it. I love water activated paints, they are amazing. I'm gonna go over with white, and after I do the white, then I'm gonna go over top of that with neon, just picking whatever colors I want and putting them wherever I think they will fit, basically. Now you can see here me redoing the nose and making it smaller and more cute because I felt like the other one just made me look like a clown. So I'm now going in with like a brown, and I'm just kind of creating a little bit of shadows, not everywhere, but just in certain spots that I want there to be a little bit of shadow. You'll see that's where I'm putting it. And now to the fun part, we're going to do neons. Now, I said before, this white skull looks gorgeous on its own, but I did want to add some color to it. So I'm just using these water activated paints and going between any color that I like and kind of just putting it everywhere. I did end up going into the lower lashes and kind of putting that peachy, that deeper peachy pink, and then I did put a shimmery like pearl silver in the inner corner to really make it pop. So this is how it ended up looking. I love that these paints are neon and UV. So under the UV light, these also will look so freaking cool. Like this is so cool. Like I can't even tell you how cool it is. And honestly, this if I would have just left the white and then put the UV white on top, that itself, that white sugar skull, I thought looked so beautiful. I might just do that for Halloween myself. You could have left it there. You didn't have to go to the neon colorful level, but if you do, that's totally cool too, because it looks bad. And don't forget to go straight over to my Instagram stories to see how I did this amazing nails that I thought was so freaking cute and so easy to do, you guys. I show you a little trick on how to do these so easy. So make sure you go check that out and come back tomorrow. Give me a like. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.